just an update for the snow. So far this storm has dumped about maybe 6 inches on us. Maybe. Gee, won't the superintendent feel we're stupid for 6 inches? But yeah, not much, but it's all powdery blowing snow. So it's gonna be a bitch to clean up. But figured I'd make one last video before I go to bed. I'll upload this. For some reason my camera decides to work when it wants to. As I said, my camera's got the problem. But yeah, as you can see, that's all coming off the roofs. Oh yeah, gonna be fun cleaning up tomorrow. And it's still coming down like a bear. I'm out here for maybe 5 minutes, I'm white. So, I'm gonna talk to you guys later because my camera's acting funny. And it's blowing and I'm gonna put my hand away. Bye.